Hello, everyone. This is Successful on Purpose, episode 46, and we are recording live from Telford, UK, and we are attending our dealers meeting today here in Telford, and tomorrow we're going to do our life-changing event for the rest of the group, and we are super excited for the Rhino division, and I have a brand new dealer here sitting next to me, and I will let her introduce herself. Again, this is Annie Edwards. I'm a Saladmaster dealer based in Chicago, and here's my new guest. Go ahead.
Hi, hello, good afternoon, everyone. Hi, Annie.
Hi.
Yes, indeed, it's been a very busy day. The last 2 days, actually,
Yes.
meetings after meetings, and it's overwhelming. The hype and the excitement of everybody is looking so looking forward to tomorrow's event. The big day.
So what's your name and where is your dealership based now?
Okay, so my name is Gabie Gano, originally from the Philippines, and I've been here in the UK for the longest time, let's say 23 years. Been a nurse for 21 years, but that was the cover story.
Okay.
So yes, so I was.
So how long in Saladmaster?
Yeah, I've been in Saladmaster for the last 5 years. Been introduced to the Saladmaster opportunity the last 5 years, but only been promoted the last 3 months. Yeah, so I'm a brand new dealer. The journey's been it's been a long one, but to cut the long story short, is we made it. The dealership. Yeah. So my dealership is in Newcastle, in the north of England, and it is called Dynamic Kitchen Limited.
Ah, nice.
Yes.
So if you are in northern part of England, please contact our brand new dealer. So it's what I always ask my dealers what success means to you and where you think you are in your success story and how Saladmaster is helping you to get to your goal.
Yep. Thank you for that, Annie. Success to me is it's actually a personal thing. It's a matter of how you view success, yourself. Because for me, to be in a better place from where you've been before, that is success to me. It's not a big one, But in Saladmaster, from where I have been up to this time, achieving the dealership is a success for me. But it doesn't mean that it stops there. It's only the beginning. It's only the beginning. So I'm gonna ask me after 2 years, and it's the success for me is gonna be a different one.
Yes. It's a moving target.
It's a moving target. That's right. So that's how I define success. And where I am now at Saladmaster, I can say, it's been successful. Could you imagine being in the business for 5 years? Yeah, and just gotten my my dealership, and it's rocking well. It's exciting. The experience, the people you meet along, the knowledge that you learn as you go along is amazing. And you wanted to achieve more. That's the beauty of it in Saladmaster. You wanted to achieve more.
So I know as a brand new dealer, we have a lot of stuff to think about, to plan, to organize, create your own vision for your own dealership. Now you've been working 5 years for another dealership. Now you are creating a brand new office, a brand new dealership. It's not easy, It's a lot of stuff to think about and organize and lead your team, and also at the same time perform, Make your sales, your numbers show, meet your targets and goals. So how do you deal with all that daily stress, and how do you continue to be inspired and keep going in these tough times?
Yep. Thank you again for that. Yes. So I think it's been the way you tackle things, or the way you handle all these challenges that come. I don't really say it's challenges. It's part of the success.
Part of the success story.
It's part of
the
the success.
process.
Yes, it's part of the process that you have to go through. But because, the experience that I have with Saladmaster, I can say, bring it on.
Nice.
Yeah, because it's just part of, it's just part of the success. And I always say, the choices that you make is what will make you, in the future. So the good thing about it is we have choices. It depends. And what I always say is, you resolve the price of that choice that you have made, isn't it? Yeah.
So when you decided to switch over and go full on 100% in Saladmaster as a full time, somebody may be thinking, having doubts, they cannot do it. Maybe they don't believe themselves fully, they can do this business thing or being an entrepreneur thing, leaving their 9 to 5 safety job, It's very hard decision. How did you make that decision to transition from your regular job to Saladmaster? And what would you tell somebody who may be having doubts and thinking about it?
Wow, that's a very nice question, Annie. Yeah, so it's not an easy ride for me the last 5 years. And I can really say that my family, they are the ones who's been discouraging me. I mean, as you can see, I did it on my own without my husband. My husband was not with me on the journey like any other dealership. You can see a dealership that have been doing it and been successful with them, side by side with their partners
With
and
their
their
partner or husband or wife.
husbands or their daughters. But for me, I did and finished the program on my own. And you know what you asked me? What kept me going is the motivation. It's my husband who made me going. He is my very big why. Why I kept going, because I wanted to show to him that Saladmaster is working. Saladmaster works. Saladmaster is an opportunity that can better our lives, better our families' lives, and of course, that we can make the choice. Because I'm a very stubborn person, Annie. Everybody knows that I'm a very stubborn person. If I wanted it white, it has to be white. So I always wanted to go for that. I wanted to choose, I wanted my freedom of choosing what I wanted. Yeah.
So this business not only brought you that self esteem back, that you can do it, or even on your own. It doesn't matter if everybody's against you, you still got it done. And it's not an easy process, but you got it done. So I'm glad somebody may be listening or watching will hear that, and and be encouraged to go in full time and just go for it. Yeah, because a lot of time maybe people are hesitating about that. So.
Yeah.
So, as a new dealer, where you see your dealership going in this near future? What's your goals? What's your vision for your company?
Okay, I can see Dynamic Kitchen going full swing in the next 3 years. I'm gonna give it next 3 years, and we will be promoting 2-3 dealerships out of it. Yes, so we will go for that.
So many people may be not understanding what promoting a dealer means. Yeah, so.
Yeah.
That's why promoting a dealer is a duplicating yourself and giving another person opportunity to change their life and own their own business, because we are not really MLM or anything like that. We actually, all of our dealerships are owned independently. Each one of us own our own dealership. So it's a business that you actually own. You run yourself 100%, and all the benefits and all the income comes to you. So we do not, this is very much a business that can generate millions to you as a personal business, but also generate a passive income through promoting new dealers. So your goal for next 3 years is to promote at least 2 to 3 dealers out of your own dealership. So how many consultants you have right now?
I have about 5 active consultants.
5 active consultants. And do you see any of them becoming a dealer?
Yes, I can see 2,
Oh,
like
nice,
2 already,
nice.
so we're on track.
Ah, nice.
Yeah, we just have to do the job.
Yes.
Show them the opportunity
Yes.
and how we did it.
Yes. So thank you very much again. I want to wish you and your team all the best. And I'm always excited to talk to new dealers because they are always, they feel that feeling that accomplishment and honor, but also that